Lewis M. Carter Manufacturing Company in Donaldsonville, Georgia was founded in 1939 by H.M. Carter and has been serving its customers with reliable, efficient, and innovative concepts which have become the benchmark of the industry. Today, LMC offers equipment to process more than 40 different types of products, from almonds to walnuts, and we are continually creating new types of equipment to meet the needs of a wide variety of demands around the world. From our 60,000 square foot manufacturing plant in southwest Georgia, we are designing and planning processing systems for needs yet to be defined. And we are confident that we can create any type of processing systems for those whose minds dwell only in the future. LMC is changing with the times. Our high-tech advancements enable us to offer innovative approaches to complex needs. And we pride ourselves in providing our customers with what they need, when they need it, and at an appreciated price. We'd like to show you through our plant, give you a glimpse of our operation, our technicians, our methods of manufacturing, so that you will have a little better idea of what LMC is all about and why we've been setting the pattern for the industry for these many years, and why we think we will continue to hold that distinction. It all begins right here at the engineer's table. We have 6 highly trained experts to create designs for systems that will be used around the world. And while the original design begins right here, our engineering department uses computer technology to refine those images into computer language, convert that to a printed tape, which then goes into the computer-operated machine to create patterns and designs that are fault-free, computer perfect, perfect fit, perfect function. We don't harvest or process peanuts like we used to back at the turn of the century. When LMC first began back in 1939, we made peanut processing equipment, still do, the best in the world. We've equipped modern peanut shelling operations with cleaners, destoners, separators, shellers, and conveyor systems that are without comparison. The LMC label on a peanut processing piece of equipment is like Cadillac on the finest motor cars. We're proud of that, and we think we've earned it over the years. But like we said, LMC is not standing still. We are on the move and now turn out processing systems for such products as almonds, pecans, soybeans, corn, grass seed, edible beans, and peas. We're producing equipment for processing cereal grains such as wheat, barley, oats, and rice, and for recleaning cocoa beans. In fact, any dry, flowable product processing equipment you can name carries the LMC label. LMC equipment is now being operated on every continent except Antarctica. In Europe, our systems can be found in England, Holland, Sweden, Denmark, France, Germany, Yugoslavia, and Czechoslovakia. In Asia, you can find LMC equipment in Turkey, Japan, China, Africa, Egypt, Sudan, Uganda, Zimbabwe, the Republic of South Africa, and many others. In South America, Bolivia, Argentina, Venezuela, Costa Rica, Mexico, and Guatemala. From our offices in Saskatoon, LMC Canada services our northern neighbor. And these are satisfied customers, well pleased with the operation of their LMC equipment, satisfied with its performance because it's built right to do the job and built to last and endure. LMC serves customers, none too small, none too large. Our customers range from 1,000 pounds per hour to over 60 tons of processing production per hour. And while our equipment can be found in such large companies as Hershey's, Procter & Gamble, Planters, and Mars, we can also be found in other operations like Mary Jane Candies, Beatrice, and Dole Fruit and Nut Company. Lewis M. Carter is a diversified, sound, solid, progressive, family-owned and operated company. Our 70 employees are all dedicated, and most have many long years of service and take pride in the quality of the work they perform and the product they produce. Company president is Lewis M. Carter Sr., who has guided LMC's operation since 1958. By the way, we don't just produce a piece of equipment and ship it out. We make sure they perform to specifications. In our lab, we put the equipment to the test. These barrels contain some of every product our machines are designed to process. We make sure that every function of each machine is operated to the most optimum efficiency and that the quality of the process is finely tuned and properly set. This gravity separator is working on soybeans, but it's the same with each and every type of product and each and every type of machine. Nothing is left to chance. Thorough testing, calibration, and certification goes with each one. Lewis M. Carter Manufacturing Company is constantly working to make sure the quality of our work is never sacrificed. And while we have attained the mark of distinction, we're not resting on our laurels. We're moving ahead, providing superior quality work that keeps our reputation high. We survive on the satisfaction of our customers. That's the bottom line. We pledge to continue that satisfaction in the future. Who knows where a piece of LMC equipment will show up next? And since our entry into seed conditioning, these customers are getting to know the reliability in LMC's equipment, the high performance characteristics and service that the peanut industry has known for years. So when you purchased LMC equipment, you buy a part of LMC. Now our watchword is to keep things simple. Simple to install, simple to operate, simple to maintain. And we stand behind our equipment and go that extra step. No shortcuts, quality is utmost, and that's simply great.
While LMC has been in existence for a long time, we are young in our eagerness to serve you with quality equipment. We pledge to offer the finest in equipment with a foundation of integrity and responsibility to the customer. Whatever your needs may be, LMC can meet them in a minimum of time at a responsible cost, backed by 50 years of experience. We look forward to serving you now and in the future.